Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted email in Outlook. If you're tired of receiving spam or promotional emails from certain senders, this feature will help you keep your inbox clean and focused on the messages that actually matter. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and that all your emails have loaded properly. This ensures that you can see all the messages in your inbox, including the unwanted ones you want to block. Once your email has been loaded, it's time to locate the unwanted email you wish to block. Scroll through your inbox and find that pesky email from the sender you want to stop hearing from. Click on it to select it. This highlights the email and makes it active so you can take action on it. Now look at the top part of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Home. This is where most of your main email management tools live, including options for organizing, deleting, and filtering messages. Under the Home tab, you'll see the Junk option. Click directly on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices related to managing junk and spam emails. From this drop-down menu, click on Block Sender. This action tells Outlook to automatically move all future emails from this sender straight to your junk folder. It's important to note that all emails from this sender will be blocked moving forward, so you won't see them cluttering your inbox anymore. They'll still arrive, but they'll be filtered out of your main view and sent directly to junk where they belong. And that's it. You've successfully blocked unwanted email in Outlook. This simple feature keeps your inbox tidy and ensures you only see the emails that are relevant to you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.